I mean, we're gonna do the no blinking challenge. So yeah, let us see. First is tissue. Okay, Nick, don't do that. Now is alcohol. Wait, let me just add some here. Nick, it's not gonna go through that. It's gonna, here you go. So we're gonna so she reacted. She reacted ng konti, but okay. The next is this. Takot siya sa alcohol. So we're gonna add this again. Ito na, tatakot ka sa alcohol, Nick. And I'm just gonna clean it up. Nick, don't do that. That's cheating. Ako naman. It's my turn now. She's gonna find for more. It's my turn now. So she's turn now. Yes. Say hi. Don't blink. So I'm gonna wipe the table. Hoy, nag-blink! Hindi, nag-blink lang ako kasi Liar, what's a fighter?
Kumukuha ng persa. Kumukuha ng persa. Kaya balik ako, pinag-luto mo. Araw-araw. Araw-araw. Doon ako, yun ang pinaka-masaya kong ginagawa. Kesa sa iba ng pupuntahan, yung iba natusunan, ako hindi.
Kala mo, di ako nakatingin. Hindi ako Ako na lang lagi din. She paused it because she angry. Harap ka dun.